Doves in the wind, we'll see like doves in the wind.
Yeah. You've been sipping your champagne, and I've been up on this whiskey. You've been working that damn thing, and we've been talking all risque. So tell me what you wanna do. I got my mind right and my game tight, on top of my aim right. Go all out for you day and night if you ready. I know you are. Yeah. I know a place where we can get close, our bodies touching at the same time. Your silhouette just like an angel, girl, you stay fly. If you stay right, the girl will stay high. I put down the stars for you.
You've been saying the right things, got me feeling excited. Hands all over my body, no one else is invited. So tell me what you're gonna do, boy. You got your mind right and your game tight, on top and your aim right. Hold it down for you day and night if you're ready. I know you are. I know you are.
I know a place where we can get close, our bodies touching at the same time. Your silhouette just like an angel, girl, will stay fly. If you stay right, then boy, we'll stay high. Said I put on the stars, and I wanna be where you are. Girl, I put on the Said I put on the stars, and I wanna be where you are. Girl, I put on the stars. Said I put on the stars, and I wanna be where you are. Said I put on the stars, and I wanna be where you are. Girl, I put on the stars. Said I put on the stars, and I wanna be girl, I put on the stars. Yeah. I put down the stars for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have this 14-inch wig from this company. It's an Amazon vendor. Their name is UBetta. This is the bag that the wig came in, y'all seen in the clip before. So obviously this wig is a 613 wig, as y'all can tell by the color. And it's a lace front wig, so it's the U shape, like right here. And then you have lace that starts right here, so you can do a side part if you want to. And y'all can kind of ignore that because that's my lace tint, but you know, when I wash the hair, it come out. But it's alright, it's alright. So with shedding and tangling on this wig, I didn't get any shedding, I didn't get any tangling. I did not pluck this wig nowhere. Did not pluck the sides, I didn't pluck anything. This is how the hair came. The only thing I did was cut baby hairs. That is it. And I didn't even cut these. Well, I cut this side piece, but I didn't cut this side piece. It already comes with some side piece, but it was too much lace on this ear, so I have to cut some more off. But the wig is really, really pretty. I really, really love it. The color is really good. So the wig company and the link to this wig, all that will be in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this wig. They come in longer lengths. I think they start at 10 or maybe 8 and go down to the 20s. I'm not sure where they stop, but this is the 14, like I said. So yeah, that's the end of this part. If you have any questions, comment, concerns about this, comment down below. Please give me a big thumbs up, okay? Subscribe, hit that bell, and yeah, bye guys.
I would wait for your boss, don't be late, no.